This repair video for the P112F error code is specifically tailored for Volkswagen drivers. If your Volkswagen is showing up P112F code, this is for you. This indicates a discrepancy between the intake manifold's pressure and the mass airflow calculated from the throttle's position. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Mass airflow sensor issues, intake air leaks, turbocharger problems, throttle body issues, faulty sensors. Here are two simple DIY methods you can try to solve this problem. The MAF sensor. The MAF sensor is typically located on the intake manifold, either next to or on the throttle body itself. First, carefully remove the MAF sensor from the engine. Inspect the MAF sensor for any damage if damages are found, then replace the MAF sensor when you install a new MAF sensor. Check to make sure the new O-ring is in place and not damaged. MAF sensor. Carefully remove the MAF sensor from your car and do a quick inspection around wire. Inside often gets dirty and needs to be clean. You can spray the MAF sensor cleaner onto the wire perpendicularly to the ground so that it won't damage the MAF sensor. Reinstall the MAF sensor back in the car after it gets dry. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Audi, Mini Cooper, Ford, Mercedes-Benz, BMW, and Volkswagen. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.